How to delete bookmarks on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete bookmarks on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete the bookmarks on your iPhone, so let's say you went to any browser, you happen to tap the plus icon, you scroll down and select the option called add bookmark here, and then you just happen to save the bookmark. Once you add the bookmark, how do you delete that bookmark? Well, it is actually very simple to delete the bookmark as well. Just come to the home screen like this, and once you're there, if there is a certain bookmark that you've added, you can just go ahead and long press on it and then choose the option to delete it just like that, and then that will get successfully deleted. Now the other is, if you happen to add a bookmark on a home screen by tapping the add to home screen option here, once you've added it to your home screen, to delete the bookmark, long press on it, tap the delete bookmark option, tap and delete, and that bookmark will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete bookmarks on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.